Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best first aid kit is probably one of the most essential items you can have in your home, car, or even your backpack, ensuring you're prepared for any unexpected cuts, scrapes, burns, or minor injuries that life might throw your way. And today we're diving deep into what makes a refill kit truly stand out, helping you keep your emergency preparedness at its peak. Number 5. Protect Life First Aid Kit. Introducing the Protect Life First Aid Kit, your go-to solution for unexpected emergencies. It's designed to be compact and ready for any situation. Whether you're heading out for a camping trip, a hike, or just a drive, this kit ensures you're prepared. It's the perfect travel companion. Don't let its size fool you. This 100-piece kit is packed with everything you need for basic first aid. It fits easily in your car, home, or office. Feel secure knowing you have a reliable first aid solution at hand. It's ideal for keeping your loved ones safe wherever you go. This kit is your first line of defense against minor injuries and emergencies. Be ready to protect life, no matter where life takes you. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who are always on the go. If you need a compact emergency solution for your car, office, or outdoor adventures, this is the one. Its 100 pieces cover a wide range of common issues, making it a great starter option for anyone looking for preparedness without bulk. What people say. It comes with everything you could ever need and more. Cleaning wipes, check. Bandaids, check. Gauze, check. Tape, check. Scissors, check. A sticker for a sucking chest wound, check. Complete kit, supplies for all possibilities. If something would happen, the supplies in this kit would hold you over until you got help. Small package so it doesn't take up much room. The kit has a small but useful quantity of each, as well as moleskin, fingertip bandages and knuckle bandages. This kit has useful amounts of bandages in a wide variety, including specialty bandages that might commonly be needed. Number 4. Bactine Max Pain Relieving Antiseptic Spray. Experience fast-acting relief from pain and itching. This powerful formula helps soothe discomfort effectively. Protect your wounds from infection. It effectively kills 99% of germs to keep your cuts and scrapes clean. Say goodbye to stinging pain. Our gentle formula provides relief without the burn, making first aid more comfortable. This spray is your go-to for first aid needs. It acts as both an antiseptic and a pain reliever for comprehensive care. Easily apply this convenient spray to affected areas. The 5-ounce size ensures you have enough for multiple uses. Featuring lidocaine, it gets to work quickly. This active ingredient helps numb pain and provide rapid relief. What we like. For immediate relief from minor cuts, scrapes, and burns, this spray is a game changer. If you're looking for a no-sting solution that also kills germs and numbs pain, this is your go-to. It's ideal for individuals who are sensitive to pain or for treating children's minor injuries quickly and effectively. What people say. Excellent size and works great for tiny bug bites or scratches. Using this kept the wound clean and didn't cause any pain. Bactine Max Pain Relieving Spray is solid for cuts and scrapes, no sting, kills germs well, and dries fast. Number 3. First Aid Only 91248 OSHA-Compliant All-Purpose First Aid Kit. This all-purpose emergency kit is OSHA-compliant and packed with 260 essential supplies. It's designed to keep you prepared for any situation, whether at work or at home. Inside, you'll find everything you need, from bandages and gauze to antiseptic wipes and essential tools like scissors and tweezers. It's a complete solution for immediate care. This kit comes in a durable plastic case with easy slide latches, making it perfect for your office, home, or car. It's designed for convenience and quick access. With a clear cover and individual compartments, all supplies are neatly organized and easy to find. You can quickly locate what you need in an emergency. This versatile first aid box is ideal for various settings, including homes, offices, and work sites. It ensures you're prepared for potential emergencies wherever you are. Prioritize your safety with this convenient kit, which is also eligible for HSA and FSA spending. It's a smart choice for preparedness and well-being. What we like. This kit is designed for larger groups and workplaces. If you need a comprehensive, OSHA-compliant option for your business, worksite, or even a large household, this 260-piece set is ideal. Its organized, durable case ensures easy access to a wide array of supplies for up to 50 people. What people say. It comes very well packaged. Quality of the keeper that the contents are in is medium grade. It works for what it's designed for. Definitely have great variety. Definitely a decent little first aid kit to have around or to keep in your car when you go on travels for needs. Well stocked and decent room to add your own. Compact size and good variety. There is a lot of useful bandages, medications, and ointments in there. I like how sturdy the plastic case is. Number 2. Sutures Butterfly Bandaids Laceration Closure Kit. Discover the innovative Sutures Butterfly Bandaids, your go-to solution for wound care. This kit offers a revolutionary way to manage lacerations. Experience surgical-level wound repair without the need for stitches. It's designed for quick and effective closure of cuts and injuries. Our advanced formula promotes rapid clotting, helping to stop bleeding quickly. This ensures a faster and cleaner healing process. Be prepared for any situation with this essential emergency wound closure device. It provides reliable support when you need it most. This comprehensive 4-piece kit includes everything you need for effective laceration repair. It's a must-have for any first aid kit. Crafted from high-quality PU material, these closures are built to last. Trust in their durability for secure and dependable wound management. What we like. When dealing with deeper cuts or lacerations, this kit offers a unique solution. If you're in an emergency situation and need to close a wound quickly without stitches, these butterfly closures are invaluable. They are perfect for hikers, campers, or anyone who might encounter more serious injuries far from medical help. What people say. These no-stitch adhesive adjustable sutures bring emergency room trauma care right into the field. They could easily save a life. They are super easy to use and apply, and can instantly close a cut or puncture wound. These butterfly bandages are simple and effective for closing small cuts. They hold well, stay in place, and minimize scarring when used on clean, dry wounds. Easy to apply with good adhesion and flexible enough for joints. Number 1. AMORNING 276 PCS First Aid Kit. This compact and lightweight kit is designed for an active lifestyle. Made from water-resistant EVA material, it's perfect for your office, camping trips, or keeping at home without taking up much space. Ensure you have timely emergency care when professional help is far away. Keep it easily accessible in your backpack, car, or medicine cabinet for quick access. Equipped with essential items like scissors, bandages, and an emergency blanket, this kit is a must-have for outdoor adventures and travel. You can't predict emergencies, but you can prepare. This kit makes a thoughtful and practical gift for family and friends, offering peace of mind for outdoor excursions. We've carefully selected high-quality items for this kit and are committed to providing excellent customer service. Your user experience is our priority. What we like. This option is fantastic for those who prioritize portability and a wide range of basic supplies. If you're an avid traveler, hiker, or camper who needs a lightweight yet well-equipped kit, this is an excellent choice. Its lovely, compact design makes it easy to carry, ensuring you have essential survival and first aid items readily available. What people say. It's compact yet packed with all the essential items you'd need for a minor emergency. Whether it's for cuts, scrapes, or small injuries, this kit has everything to help address the situation quickly. I love how well organized everything is inside the case. The variety of bandages, antiseptic wipes, and medical tools gives me peace of mind, knowing that I have the right supplies readily available in one place. This kit packs a lot in a small space and does so in a very nice hardshell case. The zipper is sturdy, and the case has sufficient flex to pack well into tight spaces in luggage or a saddleback insert. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.